Hello friends, welcome back to Resinween. I think this is going to be day 3, hopefully. Yeah, so, if you watched my Dollar Tree haul, I got these cool little, they're window clings. They're very cute, and the original plan was to make some coasters with them. So I have these coaster molds. I needed a larger coaster mold for, for some of these. But then I realized the problem. Did you spot the problem? Hey kids, can you show me the problem? Yeah, so these are going to get turned over, and that's the actual coaster part. So, these would be facing upside down. Although I didn't look at the back. I don't know much about window clings. Are they the same on the back? Would it work? Let me see. No, because the words would be backwards anyway. So, scrapping this idea for today. Just for today. But I really like this Happy Halloween right here. And I have this little tray mold. And look at that. It fits kind of perfectly. So, I'm going to pour a thin layer of black in here, let that cure, put this on top of that, and then do a clear coat on top. I think it would look really cute. It's a smaller project. Sorry, it's not very innovative, but yeah, I think it's going to look kind of cool. So yeah, let's get started. I've got my resin warming up now, so let's pour. Alright, that's cured. So we're going to get our little window cling out, hopefully. And hopefully without tearing it. I'm curious to see if this will stick down on its own or if the resin will lift it up. Nope, needs to come over more. Ooh, do I need to spray this with alcohol? Maybe I do. Is that? Yeah, That's kind of perfect, actually. Okay. So I got my resin warming up. I'm going to go ahead and pour a clear coat, and then we will demold. And this simple little DIY is done. All right, I'm excited. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. Got some spooky little kitties here. The only problem is I've just noticed that I did not fill this one all the way. So there is a chunk missing out of its paw and just the slightest under full. So I'm going to leave this one in. That way I can use just a little bit more resin just to fill it all the way up. But we'll go ahead and demold these other two. Cute, cute, cute. And then this one. Beep. And I usually just add magnets to the back of these to make them into cute little magnets, but there we go. Two adorable little kitties, Halloween kitties. That's your bonus unmolding. Alright friends, this is cured. I'm excited. And the reason I'm excited, other than that little piece of resin that was on my hand that keeps getting attracted to it, it stayed down. I was so worried when I poured the clear on that the resin would somehow seep under and lift it out, but it didn't. So I'm very, very happy about that. What in the world? How on earth did that happen? Oh. It's a defect in the mold. Okay. Or maybe it's meant to, I don't know, because this side has it. No, this side doesn't have it. There's like a little bump right there. But I just checked, and the mold has like a chunk missing out of the corner. That's weird. Does this one have the same? Oh, it's like it's been split or something. Okay. Well, anyway, this turned out so stinking cute. I love it. I made one or two, I can't remember, but I made a couple these size last Halloween. I'll try to remember to link them in the iCard, where I put diamond art into these molds. But you know, I had a couple of people asking, well, what would you use that for? Is it simply decoration? And it can simply be decoration. Honestly, I kind of wish that I had put some more like a translucent-y color, like maybe a white or an orange behind here, and then, you know, finished it off so that way I could prop it up with like a candle behind it. I think that would be cute. But the main purpose that I use these for is to hold hot pots. Because I use the tabletop resin from Total Boat, it can withstand a higher temperature than your typical 2-part resin. And that's one of the main reasons that I like it is because I make a lot of trays and a lot of coasters out of it. And that way you can put like your hot mugs on it and stuff. But this is big enough to place a pot. So let's say you're having like a fun little Halloween party and you've got a hot bowl of fondue or cheese dip or something, and you need to put it somewhere. You don't want to put it directly onto your table. Just put it onto this. This will keep it from, you know, causing issues with your table wax or whatever. And yeah, that's what I typically use it for. But I think it turned out so stinking cute. I love that it stayed in place and it did not give me issues. I don't know how many of you were around last year when I did the googly eye coasters. Those did not turn out as well as this did. So anyway, that's today's video. I'm so excited. I know it's a simple one, but a win is a win, you guys. I'm really very happy with how this turned out. I hope you like it too. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.